Junaid Jamshed, a humanitarian icon, a brother, a friend to us all. He touched countless lives with his generosity and compassion. It is time for us now to get together to continue his legacy. Join us in remembering Junaid Jamshed UK tour with Imam Qasim and Al-Khair Foundation in Birmingham on the 25th of December, in Oldham 27th of December, and in Leicester 29th of December. Friends, peers and special guests will recount their experiences with our beloved brother Junaid Jamshed, and together we will make sure we continue his work in benefiting the most needy and disadvantaged and vulnerable people around the world. Registration is free. Call us on 03000 999 786 and reserve your free seats, or visit our website alkhair.org.